Look at those crystals.
Wow.
그리 돼야 할 겁니다. 그자가 가짜란 증자가 제 손에 있으니. 중자라니.
It is 8 a.m. and I'm just setting up for the day. So I didn't vlog very much yesterday because we got in a little bit late, but we had Korean barbecue, which was so good. I am surprised I haven't done that on a camping trip, but I think it might be like a go-to meal from now on. But Juno and I are just chilling. I'm boiling some water right now. Gonna have some coffee and maybe a cup noodle because I think I'm gonna be up alone for a while. But here is our setup for our camp weekend. I love this food tent because we can just chill in here, rain or shine, and we also are doing most of our cooking here as well. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be up by myself for a little bit. So I made myself some cup noodles and I have a coffee and I'm just gonna enjoy this peaceful morning with Juno. Oh, can you grab me a plate from that little thing?
I'm gonna let go. Okay, my fault. A little fruit.
Oh.
Do you like onion? I like onion.
Yeah. Pig.
Okay.
I'm just walking Juno right now. We made omelets, which was really good. I had tomato, mushrooms, onion, bacon, spinach. Oh, also repping my Kodak bag that I got in Korea. We decided to head into town, so we went to Canmore inside Stillwater, which is one of my favorite stores. There's a lot of local goods, and there's just a lot of stuff here to check out. So I always love coming here, seeing what's new. We came across this onigiri vending machine and tried it out. They make it fresh daily. Definitely go early because we went at around 11 or so, and a lot of the onigiris were already sold out. We got onigiris, new salmon, and then I have the spicy tuna mayo. Cheers.
Cheers.
Is it? I feel like it's a really standard.
It's smoked salmon.
Mmm. Let me try it by mine. It's not bad,
Yeah.
but smoke definitely
And the
overpowers.
yuzu is a bit too citrusy.
Good reg.
條幾好食喎，你食咗啦已經，你食咗一啖，係咪好辣啊？
I think you would think it's spicy. The water's boiling. This is the final meal of the camping trip. Of course, we had bacon, scrambled eggs. That's a wrap for camping. It was so much fun. I cannot wait for the next camping trip. I feel so calm, peaceful, and recharged. And yeah, I am on my way back. Me and Juno are on our way back. And I will see you guys in the next vlog.